Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering and Economy. I'm Dr. Nathan. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson 3 of the series of investment planning for renewable power generation. So we are conducting this series of how to make an investment planning. In the third lesson, we are going to look at another question on the NPV, applying the NPV technique to make a decision. So here the question is invest rupees 20,000 now and receive 3 yearly payment of 5,000 each plus rupees of 12,000 in the third year. Okay. Use 10% discount rate to find the NPV. So this is a given data. So initial investment, we have the initial investment is here 20,000 initial investment and 3 year period and discount rate of 10%. First thing we have to understand the cash flow of this investment. So the cash outflow is 20,000. We put cash outflow in this arrow and the cash inflows are in each year we are going to get 5,000 rupees. Each year we are going to get 5,000 plus in the third year we are going to have another 12,000. That is a statement. So 5,000 plus 12,000 in the third year. So projects end. The project is end here. So we now need this here. So projects end. So this is year 1 and year 2 and year 3. So this is a 0th timeline. So this is actually the present value. This is actually the present value timeline. This is a present value timeline. So what we are going to do, all the revenue we have to bring it to the present value timeline, and then we have to find the net present value. This is the technique. All the revenue we have to bring it to the present value and check what is the net present value. So we are going to do this in the next slide. So here they did in a table format, but it's the same understanding here. We are applying the present value equal to future value divided by 1 plus r to the power n. So for the first case, I'm just going to explain this present value. The future value is 5,000 and 1 plus r is 0.1. 10% of discount rate, so it's 0.1 to the power 1 first year. First year we are going to get 5,000. So if you do this math, you will get the 4,545.45 rupees. This is exactly the answer here. So what usually in business people they do, they calculate this amount and put it in the table, and they use this amount to divide the 5,000 and they get the final answer. If you look at for the second case, I'll explain the second case as well. The year 2, in year 2. So present value equal to future value. How much is future value? Is 5,000 divided by 1 plus r is 0.1 to the power 2, because second year we're getting another 1,000. So that will become 4,132.23. That's here. This value is here. Likewise, we do every year and find what is the present value. Then we add all the present value to find the net present value. So the investment always minus, or you can simply say net present value equal to present value of investment, because investment always present value, so no need to worry unless we are partially investing in different time zone. Usually most of the investment we are doing in the beginning. So present value of revenue. So here present value investment is 20,000. Present value revenues, we are adding all these revenue. These are the all other revenues in the present value. We are adding all this revenue and subtracting from 20,000, we will get the 1,450 rupees. So here NPV is positive 1,400 here. Okay, okay, it's already given in each steps here, but I explained it's already given here. Okay, so this is we put in a minus 20,000 because it's an investment. Rest of the values are plus. So we are adding all the present values, then we get the net present value of 1,400. So this NPV is greater than 0. So it is definitely greater than 0. So we can accept this project. So it's a good project, we can accept. So without doing this calculation, we don't know exactly whether we can accept or not. So by doing this project, we make sure the NPV is greater than 0. And how greater than is 1,450. It's a big number. Okay, so that's very good number, greater than 0. So we can accept this project. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel and continue your support.